Hey, welcome back to 164 Scale Racing. Today we got the Hot Wheels Sports 5-pack. I'll do some unboxing and show you what they look like. Let's get started. First up, looks like we got some type of Mustang fastback. It's kind of like a Mustang funny car if you look at it. Pretty good looking car though. It's the baseball. Got the baseball stripes wrapped around it. Good looking. And looks like we got an El Camino HW Sports basketball. Yeah, looks like we got let's see what this is. This is a BDD 12. It's a soccer ball. It's like the soccer car. Pretty neat. And we got a football. Let's see what it is. It's called the DHP03 Night Shifter. Football. Pretty neat. And then last, looks like we got a bicycle cycling team. Let's see what it is. Rise and Climb. Bicycle team. The two bikes in the back. Pretty neat little sports package. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Check out my other videos of 164 Scale Racing, please. Please subscribe. And we'll see you later. Thanks for watching.